Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. We have a new limited edition knife. This is the Benchmade Mini Bugout, and this is in Mesa Red. Part number is 533-04. Before I continue, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you. So, it features a CPM-S30V steel blade. It's a drop point blade. And as you can see, it comes in that Mesa Red color. So to me, it's got like a little bit of an orangish tint, so it's not a true red. And includes the lanyard hole here at the end, as you can see. And this one costs $153, and that includes free shipping, and that's at PremiumSelectSupplies.com. Again, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching.